hard to breathe.
Hold tight, baby.
And I will never let you down. Even if we're going down, hey, oh, never let go of me. When I'm sinking,
loose lips sink ships, that's what someone told me. But this boat will stay afloat as long as you hold me. We've been through rough water, and at times it was tougher. But the fact I came back to remind you I love you. And if that's not enough, well, I can one up you. I pinky promise, touch thumbs, I never make you suffer. And all I ask in return is some reciprocation. I'll be your oxygen when you're running out of patience. So take a deep breath and hold it tight. My heart is yours, just reassure me that you hold it right. Don't be offended, I'm just the cautious type to always be around to hold you down and never underlie.
hey, oh, never let go of me.
Never let go.
Hold tight, it's gonna get hard to breathe.
Hold tight, baby, hold tight.
And I will never let you down. Even if we're going down, hey, oh, never let go of me. When I'm sinking,
in the bottle, I hope that you receive it if it washes up at your feet.